Hello, my name is Laurel, and I am going to tap dance the Capital City Marathon in Olympia, Washington on May 21st, 2017. I have never tap danced a whole marathon, but I did tap dance a half marathon in 2009. I did it as a fundraiser for the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation. I'm also doing this marathon for the MMRF, and I'm doing it because the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation is a very important organization that funds research into finding treatments and hopefully one day a cure for a terrible disease, multiple myeloma. Here I am training for the tap dance marathon. I frequently train with my dogs, one at a time, of course. This dog is Callie. She is a terrier mix, and she's full of it and very dear. My other dog, Lexa, is a basset. She and Callie are both rescue dogs. When I do my long training, I do it by myself. I want to mention that I'm 72, but that is not going to stop me from being able to finish. And of course, let's not forget that I'm doing it for the Multiple Myeloma Research Foundation.